Hello friends, welcome to Home Sai Cooking Classes and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today we have launched a very amazing course and it's a course of veg barbecue. So in this course I will teach you 12 variety of veg barbecue and sauces, and this course is available in both Hindi and English languages. So let's see what are the variety of barbecue you are going to learn in this course. So this is mushroom barbecue. So in this course, I will give you two recipes, one for home purpose and second one for commercial purpose. Then this is Tandoori Aloo barbecue. In this course, I will teach you what is the right technique of making perfect barbecue at home and to get that perfect coating. Then this is Seekh Kebab. Beside this course, we have many more other courses in veg and non-veg starters. Then this is Barbeque Broccoli. This is Paneer Tikka barbecue. And we have more than 250 plus online cooking courses which we have designed in such a way that after joining any course, you can make all the recipe at home and even you can start your small cloud kitchen, small business from home also. Because we will provide you detailed recipe, each and every step in detail, and how to proceed to get that perfect recipe. Everything I am going to teach you in this class. Then this is Afghani barbecue. We have lakhs of students from India and all over world who have joined our courses, and after joining our courses they have started their small business from home and they are earning good money. And beside these online courses, we have our own brand of masala and premixes, that is Urban Foods. So if you are interested to buy our product of all masala and premixes, so please check the description box where I have given you the buying link, okay? And even I have given you the contact number. And even if you want to buy these all products in bulk also, you can contact and buy all the products in bulk. So what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, dial our number and join your online course anytime, any place and anywhere. So let's see who will be the two lucky winners for this week. And when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access, then certificate. And if you are having any doubt, you can contact us and solve your all query. So in this way, you can join our any online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Pankaj Arora and second is Akshaya Parag. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.